Good morning, boys and girls. All right, today it's time for Saxon Phonics Lesson 96. You're going to need your new Saxon Phonics packet that starts with Spelling List 19. All right, so if you need to get it, pause the video and get your packet. All right, our essential question: how do I use my phonics skills to become a better reader? There are lots of standards that we use for phonics. All right, our standard says to know and apply our grade level phonics skills when we decode words, like knowing long and short vowel sounds in one-syllable words, knowing our vowel teams, that means our vowel digraphs, knowing regularly spelled two-syllable words with long vowels. So any of our two-syllable vowel patterns that we're learning, decoding words with prefixes and suffixes. So far we've learned suffixes. And identifying those funny words. All right, so let's look at our lesson. We're going to start out with your spelling list. Spelling list 19. All right, we're going to start at the top. You may code your words if you need to help you study. That's perfectly fine. We're going to go over them first. All right, you do have some short vowel words followed by trigraph TCH, like on number 1 and number 10. All right, we have OI here in this word. Or you have long OW, long O sound, like in snow. Or you have the owl sound here. All right, so lots of different patterns we have. And then we have some sneaky E's. All right, if you look, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look at those, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What do you notice about those? They all have digraph AI that says A. Yes, so the AI is making the A sound in those words. You have to memorize that that is the A sound in those words. And then 16 through 20 are sight words. So let's go through, sound them out, and read your words. Number 1. Sound it out. Stitch. What word? Stitch. Like we will stitch up the hole in your clothes. Stitch. Number 2. Oil. What word? Oil. My car needs some oil in it to run. 3. Sleep. E. What word? Sleepy. At night I get very sleepy. 4. Snow. What word? Snow. Has digraph OW. O. Number 5. Ouch. What word? Ouch. Ouch, I hurt my finger. Ouch. Number 6. Chimp. A chimp is a lot like a monkey. 7. Smooth. What word? Smooth. The rock feels smooth on top. Smooth. Number 8. O sneaky E. It's going to say O, even though it's has the O-R beside each other. The O is going to say its long sound because of the sneaky E. Sound it out. Snore. What word? Snore. My dad can really snore. 9. Rust. What word? Rust. Number 10. Stretch. What word? Stretch. We will stretch out the sounds in that word. Stretch. Number 11. Move to this side. Paint. What word? Paint. 12. Tail. What word? Tail. Number 13. Snail. What word? Snail. The snail moves slowly. 14. Pail. What word? Pail. Another word for a bucket is a pail. Next word. Air. What word? Air. We breathe air. 16. These are funny words. What word? Learn. I will learn something new today. Learn. Spell it. L-E-A-R-N. What word? Learn. This word is father. Spell it. F-A-T-H-E-R. What word? Father. This word is trouble. Spell it. T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Trouble. I don't want to be in trouble. This word is listen. What word? Listen. Spell it. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. This word is island. What word? Yes, island. Spell it. I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. All right, you need to practice these words. They will be on Spelling City. I will have the link attached to the lesson. You can also practice with someone at home, a study buddy. All right, your sentences. Remember, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Look in the middle of your sentence, 21 today. We have initials. That's right. Remember, they're abbreviations for something. We have U-S. They're capitalized because it's a proper noun. What does U-S stand for? United States. That's right. So let's read that sentence together. Hang the U.S. flag on the first pole. Say it again. Hang the U.S. flag on the first pole. What type of sentence is this? It is imperative. It's a bossy sentence. It's telling us what to do. So it ends with a period. Don't forget, capital U dot, capital S dot. Stands for United States. Number 22. Let's read the sentence together. Which teacher has a birthday this week? Again, which teacher has a birthday this week? What type of sentence is this? It is interrogative. It's asking a question. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. practice your two sentences. You'll have to identify which sentence is written correctly on your test. All right, when you turn the page, you will see lesson 96. Put your name on the spelling sound review page. This is where we're going to start. And then this is our practice with our phonics lesson for today. So we're starting here, name on it, and ready for our review. Now let's go over our cards. Review cards. Straw, digraph A-W, aw. Faucet, digraph A-U, aw. Soap, digraph O-A, O. Lotion, digraph final stable syllable T-I-O-N, shun. Do it again because Miss Spires made a mistake. Lotion, final stable syllable T-I-O-N, shun. Wallet, A, aw. So far we've learned that A followed by L can make the aw sound, like in wallet. All right, let's do our review. Let's start with name the letters. Combination I-R, digraph C-K, digraph T-H, diphthong and digraph O-U, digraph E-A, digraph P-H, final stable syllable B-L-E, digraph and diphthong O-W, final stable syllable T-L-E, digraph A-W, ghost letter digraph G-N, digraph A-Y, trigraph T-C-H, ghost letter digraph W-R, trigraph D-G-E, final stable syllable P-L-E, digraph A-U, trigraph I-G-H, digraph A-I, vowel Y, diphthong O-I, diphthong O-Y, I consonant E, A consonant E, ghost letter digraph K-N, combination U-R, combination A-R, affix cards. All right, remember so far we have learned suffixes. We add a suffix to the end of a root word to change its meaning. Suffix let. All right, suffix let can mean something small, like a starlet, a small star, or something worn on you, like a wristlet, something worn on your wrist. Suffix ing, happening right now. We are looking at the board. Looking means we are doing it right now. Suffix ness, or N-E-S-S, can tell you the degree of. Like we talked about, darkness means how dark. If it is in the darkness, we are talking about being dark, the degree of dark. Suffix y can mean full of. Like if something is dirty, it is full of dirt. All right. Suffix less can mean without. If we are careless, we are without care. So if Miss Spire says you are careless on your work, that means you are without care. You're not taking your time. All right, suffix en means made of. All right, if it is wooden, it is made of wood. Full means full of. If it is peaceful, it is full of peace. Sight word cards. Read these the fast way, guys. We're learning lots and lots and lots of sight words. Bought, brought, daughter, father, fault, laugh, mountain, talk, thought, walk, stranger, guess, finally, enough, today, strange, danger, earth, against, again, gone, have, learn, heard, many, several, says, was, island, together, answer, pull, once, usually, are, you, don't, does, goes, friend, for, were, won't, full, only, where, they, come. All right, let's do our spelling sound review. Echo me. Number 1, J. Yes, J. Write all the sounds, initial and final. You should have J, comma, G. In the final position, if it's a short vowel sound, D, G, E. Any other vowel sound, G, E. Number 2, A. Yes, A. Write it. Alright, you should have A, consonant E, A with a macron, final AY. Check your work. Number 3, Ch. Yes, Ch. Remember there's an initial and a final way for that sound. Alright, you should have CH, final, if it's short vowel, TCH, if it's any other sound, CH. Number 4, shun. Yes, shun. Write it. You should have final stable syllable, T-I-O-N. Number 5. K. Yes, k. Write it. Think about all the different ways we've learned for that sound. You should have K, C. After a short vowel, CK. After a long vowel, KE. After any other pattern, K. We're going to learn one more rule this week to go with this one. Number 6, E. Yes, E. Write it. You should have digraph EE, comma, E with a macron. In the final position, digraph EE, vowel Y. Alright, here's the rule. If it is a one-syllable word, in the initial position, it's going to be EE. If it is a two-syllable word in the initial position, E with a macron. If you hear the E sound in the final position, if it's a one-syllable word, it's digraph EE. And if it's a two-syllable word, it's going to be vowel Y. Alright, so those are your review of your words. Your sounds for long E. Number 7. Yes, regular spelling pattern, as in butter. What should you have? Combination ER. Number 8, Z. Yes, Z, both ways. You should have Z, comma, S, voiced S. Also makes that Z sound. Number 9, ooh. Yes, ooh. Write it. You should have L, final LL, floss roll. Alright, we're going to review some spelling patterns that we have had way back in the past. Alright, let's see how well you do. Alright, number 10, mass. Mass. I need to know the mass of this large rock. Mass. Tell me the sounds you hear in mass. Get ready. S. Spell mass on number 10. Let's spell it. M-A-S-S. What word? Yes, mass. Short vowel sound followed by S is double the S for the floss rule. Number 11, globe. Globe. A globe is a round representation of the world. Globe. Tell me the sounds that you can hear in the word globe. Get ready. G, L, O, B. Globe. Give you a hint. There is something making that vowel long that we cannot hear. Globe. Let's spell globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Sneaky E rule. And number 12, elbow. Elbow. I can touch my elbow. Tell me the sound you hear in elbow. Get ready. E, U, B, O. Elbow. Think about what's making that final sound. Elbow. All right, let's spell it. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. We hear the long O sound in the final position. It's digraph O-W. All right, now for your funny words. We have a new set of sight words that we are going to practice. 13 is the past tense of buy. It is bought. I bought a new outfit at the store yesterday. Bought. Spell bought on number 13. All right, let's spell bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. What word? Bought. Funny word, bought. Check your work. All right, if you can spell bought, you can spell the next word. Brought. Brought. I brought my lunch to school in a lunchbox. Brought. Number 14, brought. Alright, so brought. Guys, all we do is add the R to make a blend here. And the rest is the same. Spell brought. B B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. Brought. Check your work. Number 15. Fought. Fought. I fought with my jacket to get it on correctly. Fought. Spell the word fought on number 15. Think about the spelling pattern that you had with bought and brought. You should be able to figure out fought. Alright, so you should be able to figure out a pattern. Alright, you change the beginning sound to F, which is F, and the rest of it is the same. Fought, F-O-U-G-H-T, fought, fought. Alright. Now, it's time for a sentence. We are going to write a sentence. Remember everything for your sentence to be correct. Think about capital letters, end marks, and think about the spelling patterns you've learned. Listen to your sentence. A boat in the lake was stuck in the mud. Listen again. A boat in the lake was stuck in the mud. Say it with me. A boat in the lake was stuck in the mud. Your turn. Say that sentence.